Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly speed up your Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device in a matter of seconds by installing a popular application. Now guys, I am using the second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max for this example, but this will work on any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. So what we need to do, guys, to install this app is hover over Find from the home screen, click Search, and then I'm going to search for Super Cleaner. So if I type in Super, and you'll probably want to type in space and then enter cleaner, as there's a lot of super terms that pop up for the App Store. Here is Super Cleaner right here. So I'm going to click Super Cleaner. And here is the application under apps and games called Super Cleaner. One-click Super Cleaner and Speed Booster. Go ahead and click that. And then once it will direct you to the installation page if you give it a couple of seconds here. So I am on the installation page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Get. And then just wait a few seconds while the one-click Super Cleaner app is downloading on your Fire Stick. All right, so after the Super Cleaner app has installed, I'm going to hit the home button on my remote, and then I'm going to hover over and click this apps icon on my home screen here. So I'm going to click that. And now once I'm on my apps and channels list, I'm going to scroll down and find the Super Cleaner app. You'll see it right here. So now I'm going to click the options button on my remote with the three lines, click move, and I'm just going to move this towards the front of my apps list. You can click OK to drop it. And then once you do that, click the home button on your remote and the Super Cleaner application should show up here after a few seconds. It's right here. So now I'm going to launch the Super Cleaner app for the first time. And once I do that, you should see this message about terms of use. I'm just going to scroll down so I can click the accept button here. After clicking accept, you'll be directed to the home screen where it says action needed, the device needs a cleanup. Then you want to click start cleanup and boost on the bottom here. So once you do that, like any app for the first time, you're going to have to click allow. And then once you click allow, it may direct you, if you have a newer Fire Stick, to this option here for Super Cleaner. So if I click storage, it's going to ask me what files that I want this application to, clean or wipe out. I'm just going to leave this on media for now. I'm not going to click all files. I just want to leave this on media. And then once you do that, this is an important step that I messed up the first time. You're going to hit the back button on your Fire Stick remote a few times, and then you should go back to the screen here where it says cleanup in progress. Please do not interrupt the cleanup progress. And on the bottom, it says cleaning and boosting device. You're going to have to give it a few seconds while the Super Cleaner app is going through your Fire Stick and cleaning up files and other miscellaneous data. So then it says device cleaning and boosting complete. Now you can click boost finish, click to close, and that's it, guys. That is a really quick video on how you can speed up your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device using a free application called Super Cleaner. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. I hope this video helped you out. Guys, I look forward to creating more content like this for you in the near future.